Jiayuanda ultrasonic 20 kHz cutting system is mainly composed of ultrasonic generator, transducer and toolhead. The system has functions such as cutting, welding, and punching. Can work continuously for 24 hours with stable performance. Smooth cutting section, automatic bending, beautiful without scattering edges, widely favored by customers. It is mainly suitable for cutting and slitting various woven tapes, elastic tapes, velcro, shoelaces, zippers, trademarks, and other materials.